Ever wondered how something as simple as a fan can turn into a dropshipping gold mine? Hey everyone, welcome back. That sneak peek of our superfan was just the beginning. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to stellar product research for your dropshipping store. Let's find out what really makes a product stand out. Focus on products that enhance daily living. Look for items that make life easier, more enjoyable, or simply better. If your product can improve life in some way, it's a great start. Consider the uniqueness of the product. Opt for items that aren't readily available in every store. The more unique a product, the more appealing it is to customers. Look for the wow factor. Your product should immediately grab attention and make potential buyers excited. It should stand out in a crowded market. Choose products that solve problems. If there's a common issue your product can address, it will likely be in high demand. Aim for products where you can maintain at least a 2.5x selling price. This helps ensure a good profit margin while keeping prices attractive to customers. Consider the scalability of the product. Ask yourself, can this be easily sold to a large audience? Products that appeal to a broader market tend to drive more sales. Shipping logistics are key. Prefer products that are easy and economical to ship. Avoid bulky or fragile items unless they offer substantial margins. Look for products that customers might buy in multiples. This approach can significantly increase your average order value. Check if your competitors are selling similar products. This isn't about copying, but rather confirming there's a market demand. Lastly, choose products with year-round appeal. Avoid relying solely on seasonal items to ensure steady sales throughout the year. Now that you've got the core criterias for selecting a dropshipping product, let's circle back to our star product, the folding portable telescopic fan. This nifty gadget has been a dropshipping superstar thanks to its packed features. It's not just a fan, it's portable with adjustable height, includes a remote for speed control, offers various lighting settings, and doubles as a charger. That's quite the multitasker, making it a standout product. Enhances daily life with its versatile features, stands out as a unique find, boasts a wow factor with its multiple functionalities, solves the hassle of carrying multiple devices, easy to scale and ship given its lightweight and durable design, useful year-round, adding to its appeal. And here's the kicker. Dropshippers like Venti are selling it for $80 on their website. Meanwhile, it's available for just $8 to $12 on Alibaba. That's a significant difference, which means big profits. Keeping these criteria in mind during your product search, you too can discover a hero product that could bring in significant earning. Stay sharp, ship smart. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss our next guide. Join our discussions on Telegram and Discord. Find the links below.